Hey guys, this is going to be a very quick, kind of natural look that you can throw together, very simple on a day, just kind of running around. Nothing fancy whatsoever, nothing really complicated. You should probably have all of these items at your house. Kind of doing like my daily look that I would do if I was just running out and about for the day and not trying to impress anyone. Eye correction, the lids, and a little under eye. And I'm gonna buff that real quick. I don't wear foundation on my full face daily, just wear eye makeup. I'm now using a little bit of the Midnight Neutral set, catch a little fallout. I'll set that a little bit and then add a little bit extra. I'm going to start with a little bit of a skin color. I'm just throwing a little along my brow bone. I'm going to take like a golden brown and just get that blended into my crease. Take a little bit of a darker brown, just a tiny bit, and take that along my lash line. Skin color to my lower lash line. I use the same palette, the 35M palette, and then I'm going to take a brush that I like for my eyebrows. It's the Morphe M135, and I'm going to give myself some eyebrows real quick. Flick away that loose powder. So I'm going to use a little bit of NYX Liquid Suede Soft Spoken. Need a little bit of mascara. So that was today's, and I will see you again next week.